Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable screenshot on Cash App. Here's how to fix it. Method 1, try the basics. First, open your Cash App. Try your regular screenshot gesture. If it works, it's great. If not, here are two simple workarounds. Method 2, contact support. Go to your profile, scroll down and tap support. Tap chat and explain your issue. Like, hi, I can't take screenshots in the app. Can you help me enable it? Method 3, use screencasting. Download a screen mirroring app like Screen Mirror. Open the app and copy the URL. Paste it into a browser on a computer or second phone. Your Cash App screen will now display there. Just take a screenshot from the second device. And that's it. That's how to enable screenshot on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.